In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to link WhatsApp to Meta Business Suite and how we can do this. So let's get started. So if you wanted to connect the WhatsApp to a Meta Business Suite so that all the customers can send you the message and they can close the deals, this is what we have to do. So the first one, what you need to do is you have to go over here, get into the Google Chrome over here like this. Now from here, once you get into the Google Chrome, we need to follow these kind of instructions from here. So first one, you have to go over here and we need to type business.facebook.com like this. That will take you to the Meta Business Suite like this. Over here, I have already made it over here like this. So that will be taking you to this. Now from here over here, you have to click on this. And from here, you have to find your business assets. So this is the portfolio in which will be showing you all the business that I'm having right now. And from here, you have to select this particular business asset over here like this. Now that will take you to this. Now from here, if you wanted to add the WhatsApp number, what you need to do is over here, you can see we have various options and business info, users, accounts and all those things. And under the accounts, you can see there is an option called WhatsApp account. So you have to click on this. Now over here, what you need to do is you have to click on add. Now click on link a WhatsApp business account. And what happens is that will take you to this particular frame here, where you have to select your country code and give your number over here. So what I'll do is I have to go over here, find the number or the country in which I'm residing right now. So I have to select the country which I'm using right now is from India. So I have to keep scrolling down over here and find I. So once I find I have to type the number that I wanted to add. So I'll type the number over here like this. And once you add the number, make sure that you have to type it properly. Now, once you add the number, just go for continue. So they'll be generating a kind of a, what I have to say, a code where you have to give this and you have to connect it and make sure that you're having a business account on this number for the WhatsApp. And once afterwards, you can add the WhatsApp and you'll be receiving all kind of things. And this is how we can do this. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.